So you might be able to tell if you've been tracking the numbers yourself. Those COVID-19 numbers are on the rise, really across Florida as we entered phase 2 of the reopening today. It's also coming as more people are getting tested, so that affects it as well. Here in Southwest Florida, all 6 of those counties have collectively seen nearly 200 more cases today since yesterday. 4 in Your Corner is Rachel Lloyd speaking with health professionals to get some more perspective for you. Rachel?
Health leaders in Southwest Florida told me the increase in new cases was expected, but it's the jump in the number of hospitalizations that's alarming. More Florida businesses are back in business today for phase 2 of reopening the economy. And as the number of people in public places increases, so are COVID-19 cases. New Florida cases went from 606 on Monday to 1,200 on Tuesday. And there's 176 new cases in Southwest Florida from yesterday to today. KRISTINE Hollingsworth with the Collier Department of Health attributes the jump to more available testing sites.
We are increasing testing, and as you increase testing, it is to be expected that we are going to have an increase in positive COVID-19 patients.
Some of those testing sites are in Immokalee, a city that has a large Hispanic population, and that ethnic group makes up half of the county's COVID-19 cases. Gerardo Chavez with the Coalition of Immokalee Workers says, unfortunately, those stats are not surprising.
People there are poor, they live overcrowded, they travel to work under not very safe conditions many times. And that's something that makes them the perfect place for COVID-19 to spread.
Lee Health CEO Dr. Lawrence Antonucci says the growing numbers isn't a spike or a second surge.
The increases that we're seeing now are nowhere as fast as they were early in the pandemic.
The flip side to that is the number of severe cases. Antonucci says Lee County hospitals are actually seeing more cases requiring hospitalization now.
We were averaging 70 to 80 patients for a number of weeks. And in the last few weeks, that number has crept over 100 and now is in the 100 to 120 range.
And Dr. Antonucci says if you're protesting, you can protect yourself from the virus by wearing a mask and continuing to follow CDC guidelines. Rachel Lloyd, Fox 4 in Your Corner.